Okay, let's look at an example of solving an inequality using multiplication or division. So we're given the following equation. We're asked to solve negative 0.25 y, which is greater than or equal to 2, and we're asked to graph this solution set on a number line. So we have, this is our inequality given to us, and so just like with addition or subtraction, the inequality allows the same rules that we have for an equal sign. So the rules of equality apply. So let's divide both sides by negative 0.25. We'll divide this side by negative 0.25. Negative 0.25. So we get y equals not equals, greater than or equal to -8. Okay, so here's the interesting part with multiplication, inequalities with multiplication and division. That we got greater than or equal to -8. The problem is that if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. So we would have, instead of greater than or equal to -8, we would have y is less than or equal to -8, because first of all, we know that y has to be negative, right? Because two negatives is, the reason we do this is because two negatives makes a positive. So why is it less than or equal to? Because we know that y always has to be negative, because if it's ever positive, then this part is not true. If y was positive, then it would never be negative 0.25 times a large positive y could never be greater than or equal to 2. That's the reason why we have to flip the sign. So this is our final answer. Y is less than or equal to -8. And let's graph this on a number line. Draw our number line just like we did in the previous example. Let's put 0 over here. Let's go by 2, -2, -4, -6, -8, 10. Okay. So here we have less than or equal to. So if you remember from the last video, we know that less than or equal to is a closed circle, which signifies that -8 is included. And since it's less than, we shade in to the left, shade in the line, and then the arrow to show that it goes to -infinity. And that's our answer.